Be, what can you say about New York City?
I love it in cinnamon.
Ah! How about you,
I love it.
Mommy? What is this place? New York
It's
City.
the New York Public Library.
Wow, nice.
You talk about yourself.
You talk about yourself, be.
I talk about the cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon too.
Eating cinnamon. Post this in your in your YouTube. What are you doing, be?
Eating.
Huh?
Eating flower.
Eating flour? Why flour?
I'm eating this
Don't eat
one.
flour, be.
I'm eating this one.
You eating what?
I'm eating cinnamon.
You say hello to grandma.
Hi, Grandma. Miss you. We're in New York City. We ride available.
You say hello to nanay.
Hello, Nanay. Kamusta ka na? Bakit ka naiyak?
You say hello to Tita Ayan, Auntie Dandan,
Tita Ayan,
to Iya.
Dandan, I love you. Miss you. Mahal kita.
Iya
Mwah.
and Ari.
And Iya and Ari, I miss you. Bye-bye.
Grandpa.
Grandpa, I love you. Miss you. Bye-bye.
How about Logan?
I love you, Logan.
How about
Huh?
Dove.
What's a dog?
Pigeon, no?
How about Anthony?
Wow, can we...
How about...
Can we fish them?
No Anthony yet. Where is it?